Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we have lesson 1. This lesson is called Things That Make Me Happy. This lesson is called Things That Make Me Happy. Around us there are many things. From these things there are things that we can't live without it. Things we need it. And the others there are things we can live without it, but we want it. We just want it. But all of these things can make us happy. All of these things can make us happy. So we put these things into groups. Group number 1 called needs and group number 2 called wants. Group number 1 called needs and group number 2 called wants. So let's start with the group number 1. Group number 1 called needs. Group number 1 called what? Called needs. Needs. So what is the meaning of need? Needs mean things that we can't live without it. Things we can't live without it. Things we need it to live. Things we need it to live. So it is called needs. It is called needs because we need it. We can't live without it. Like what? Needs like food. We can't live without food. Number 2, water. We can't live without water. Number 3, air. We can't live without air. Number 4, shelter or home. Number 4, shelter or home. Shelter mean home. We can't live without shelter, or we can't live without home. Why we can't live without shelter or home? Because outside home the air may be very cold or maybe very hot. So we can't live in very cold air or in very hot air. So we need shelter. We need home to live, to protect us from cold air or hot air. So we need shelter or we need home to live.